Hey YouTube buddies, welcome to our channel Tech Hacks by Alfie, and today I will show you how you can earn extra income by joining the affiliate program of TubeBuddy, and also you can upgrade your license of free trial of 14 days from TubeBuddy to free star upgrade, that is star license upgrade of TubeBuddy without paying anything to them. It's totally free of cost, and I'll show you how you can do it. So here, if you can see, the license is mentioned as star license, and in star license you'll get access to health report, launchpad, search rank tracking, brand alerts, backups and export, canned responses, promo materials, usage statistics and settings. So also along with that you'll get some other features as well. Allow me a moment. So you get access to TubeBuddy Mobile, which is free. You can connect your account to Twitter, Facebook, Patreon, Social Bluebook if you have more than 1,000 subscribers, and to Magic Links if you have more than 10,000 subscribers. So there are a lot of member perks as well if you have an affiliate program, paid TubeBuddy license basically. So the first thing is the TubeBuddy Mobile channel management and video optimization on the go. So this is free of cost. If you have a paid version, then you have access to Tuber tools, that is high quality graphics and video effects for your YouTube channel. That's free. Then we have Audio Hero, which gives 250,000 premium royalty free music tracks and sound effects free of cost. Then we have Virtual Summit. So in this summit you can learn how to grow your channel rapidly and monetize your audience free of cost again. Then we have YouTube Starter Kit. In this you'll get video topics plus thumbnail, end screen and card templates. After that you also get channel consultation in this, which is a 1 hour channel strategy consultation with YouTube certified expert. However, it is $149 to have a 1 hour channel strategy consultation. Then you also have channel reviews. You get a fully automated end-to-end review of your channel, and that is 60% off. Then Tube Tech, which is a musical artificial intelligence computer generated audio tracks absolutely free of cost. After that we do have Placeit by Envato. You can make intros, thumbnails, banners and more in seconds. They are providing 30% off on this package. Then we have CollabSpace, which is the fastest growing collaboration community for creators in the world, which is 1 year free license. Then we have Filmora 9, which is a professional video editing software minus the complexity, and this is for 1 month free plus 10% off. And lastly we have Epidemic Sound, which is a cutting edge production music for your YouTube content, and this is again 25% off. Studio, and it gives you social media analytics basically for 25% off discounted price. That's all about the member perks that you'll get with a paid TubeBuddy license. After that I'll show you how you can earn extra money using this affiliate program and how you can upgrade your license. So everybody starts with a 30% commission affiliate. So if you want to upgrade to VIP affiliate, you'll get 40% commission, and in order to achieve that you have to get 50 installs, 50 TubeBuddy Chrome extension installs. You can create an affiliate link just like this. You just have to provide a name, like your name or your channel's name, and TubeBuddy will create a link for your referral or for your affiliate. So, and then you have to provide a PayPal email wherein you will get your payments from TubeBuddy. And for VIP affiliate, as I told you, you get a 40% commission, and you can be a super affiliate For that, you have to get 250 people to install TubeBuddy, and you can become a super affiliate. In super affiliate, you will get 50% commission, and there is no minimum payment. If you see the pricing for Legend upgrade, for per month they will charge you $49. However, if you upgrade to super affiliate, that is, if you get 250 people to install TubeBuddy, then you'll get a free lifetime Legend upgrade for yourself, which is absolutely amazing. After that, you also get these handbooks, affiliate forums, and if you see here, my total clicks this month is 95 and total installs is 50. So I got an option to upgrade my license, and I did click on that, and there we go. So these are the advanced terms and conditions how you can promote TubeBuddy, and they have mentioned what are the features. You get 40% off of every subscription payment. Payments are made on the 1st of every month. Minimum payout is $10 per month for standard affiliates. That is, the persons who have 30% commission. Everybody starts as a standard affiliate. So for them, the minimum payment is $10. But if you upgrade it to VIP or super affiliate, there would be no minimum payment. And subscriptions are eligible for payout 30 days after payment has been made. And you have to comply with the full TubeBuddy affiliate program terms and services, terms of service. What else do we have here? So I'll show you something else. They have also provided us with the assets of TubeBuddy, which you can use for promoting TubeBuddy on social platforms. Basically, they have provided posts, feed posts, logos, banners that you can post on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn. So this is a large logo for light background, large logo for dark background, then there's large icons, small logo for light background, small logo for dark background. Then we'll see in the banners. So they have given the resolutions, and that is banner 728 by 90, side banners, square banners. What you can do is you can sign up to TubeBuddy using my link is in the description, and you can access all these images, logos, banners, and you can post it on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, or wherever you want you can post it. So you just need to click to view and download, and it gets downloaded easily. So there we have, we just have to right click, save image as, and give it a name, and it gets downloaded. It's that easy. We are on the quick start page, wherein they have provided social posting tips and tricks. So you'll get social media strategy, they'll provide you how to choose a platform, identify your audience, tell a story, engage with them, call to action, define your value, which is educate, inspire, inform, entertain, quality content. And then if you have any further questions, you can also contact them at affiliates@tubebuddy.com. More than that, you'll get feed posts, samples of Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. So you can use these samples and you can, advertise TubeBuddy on social platforms. They have given story samples. You just have to edit a few things, or even you don't even have to edit anything. You can directly just post it and gain referrals. And then if they pay for a license, you will get commission on that. What more do you need? This is so far the best thing that I've seen in any affiliate program. They have provided you with everything that you would require. And they have also given social advertising tips and tricks, how to set up Google search ads, Google display ads, Google video ads, and they have provided video links that you can watch and get a tutorial on how to do it. Then even for Facebook ad steps, Twitter ad steps, Instagram ad steps, LinkedIn ad steps. So basically that's it from my end. I had initially signed up with TubeBuddy with a 14-day free trial, but then I saw this affiliate program of TubeBuddy wherein they are providing a free 1-year star license if you get 50 installs of TubeBuddy. So that's it. So I'll show you the stats, I'll show you the proof, how long did it take for me to install, for me to get 50 installs. So now, as you can see here, I had initially joined the TubeBuddy affiliate program on 6th August, and I had got this affiliate link which I've shared in the description. And as I mentioned, all affiliates start out as a standard affiliate at 30% recurring commission rate. And after you upgrade to VIP affiliate, you get 40% commission. After you upgrade to super affiliate, you get 50% commission and a free lifetime legend level upgrade for yourself. In VIP affiliate, you get 1-year star license free. So now I'll show you. This is on 16th of August, which is straight 10 days, and congrats, you are now a VIP affiliate. There is no minimum payout and you are now earning a 40% recurring cut of every sale that you generate. So you'll get a redemption code and a link. You have to click on that link and you have to enter the code that is provided to you, and you'll get 1-year star upgrade on any of your channels. That's it from me, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Tech Hacks by Alfie, and press the bell icon to never miss an update in the future. If you have any feedback or any suggestion for me, please comment it down on this video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day ahead.